And on to hole number 7, a par 3 of 160 yards. Sometimes tricky with the wind, you may have to use an extra club length. But this hole is set right on the ocean, and what a beautiful view of the beach. Hole number 8, a straightforward par 4 of 365 yards. A drive down the middle will leave you with an approach to the green. Just be mindful of those bunkers that protect it. And finishing off the front 9 is, funnily enough, hole number 9, a par 4 of 350 yards. To the left, be mindful of the water. We've seen guys that can drive over it, but most players will play to the middle of the fairway and then take their approach to the green. This here concludes the front 9 of Playa Dorada Golf Course.